Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Google Classroom. So the first thing is you have to log in your Google Classroom by using email and password. So I am just opening here my Google Classroom, and then you can see there are the different courses in your Google Classroom. I'm just opening this course because I have only one course in this my Google Classroom. So I opened this course. Basically, this is a outlook of your Google Classroom course. In Google Classroom, you can see there are the different files, as you can see here on the screen, that they are the different files there that is sent out to you by your teacher. So you can open these file and see the instructions. Like for example, I just open here the one of the file, and you can see here different comments and files here in this file section. So you can open these files and see the instructions. Also you can download the files from here, but you can't see any download link in Google Classroom directly. I have made a video on this topic. You can go and check out my video by clicking the pop-up banner in the upper right corner, or you can check the link directly in my description box. Also you can see there is another option in Google Classroom is the classwork. So you can see in your classwork option all the classwork material that is sent out to your teacher. So, and there's a next option which is about the people. I'm not opening here this option because here's the personal things, personal emails of my different class fellows. So you can see that how many members in this course you have. So yeah, okay, so this is the basic video of Google Classroom. Hope so you like my video. Please do subscribe my channel, also hit the bell icon for new informative videos. Thank you so much.